Don't miss out on the secret that could transform your life. It's a game changer you'll wish you knew sooner. Hold on to your taste buds, folks. We're about to embark on a flavor adventure that will have your palate dancing with delight. Today, we're peeling back the layers on a citrus sensation that's been causing a stir in kitchens around the globe. Say hello to yuzu, the tantalizingly tart and fragrantly fabulous fruit that's as packed with benefits as it is with taste. Ready to get your zest on? Let's dive in. Yuzu, scientifically known as Citrus junos, is a citrus fruit native to East Asia. It's a little bundle of surprises with a strong tart taste that's somewhat similar to a grapefruit. But don't let its size fool you, as when it comes to the taste. Yuzu has a strong tart flavor that's a bit like a grapefruit. But it's not just a grapefruit wannabe. Oh no, it's got its own unique twist. Imagine the zing of a lemon, the tang of a grapefruit, and a hint of mandarin sweetness all rolled into one. That's yuzu for you. It's a citrusy cocktail that's sure to make your taste buds dance. But yuzu isn't just about flavor. This little fruit is also a powerhouse of health benefits. It's like a tiny, round, citrus superhero ready to boost your health with every bite or sip if you're into juicing. Finding fresh yuzu might be a bit of a treasure hunt, especially if you're not in East Asia or California. But hey, who doesn't love a good foodie adventure, right? So, are you ready to embark on your yuzu adventure? Let's dive deeper into the world of this fascinating fruit in the next part of our journey. Alright, folks, let's talk about one of the most impressive features of our citrus superstar yuzu. It's not just its tart taste or its aromatic scent that makes it a standout. It's something that's essential for our bodies, something that we all need to stay healthy and vibrant. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the mighty vitamin C. Now, when we say yuzu is a vitamin C powerhouse, we're not just throwing around fancy words. We've got the numbers to back it up. Just a small 3.5-ounce serving of fresh yuzu juice contains 59% of the daily value of vitamin C. That's more than half of your daily requirement in just one serving. If that's not a vitamin-packed bunch, I don't know what is. But why is vitamin C such a big deal? Well, let's dive into that. Vitamin C is like that reliable friend who's always there when you need them. It plays a crucial role in our body's immune function. It's like the body's personal cheerleader, always ready to boost our immune system and help us fight off those pesky germs. But the wonders of vitamin C don't stop there. It's also a key player in collagen production. Now, collagen is not just the latest buzzword in the beauty industry. It's a type of protein that's found in our skin, muscles, bones, tendons, and other body tissues. It's what keeps our skin looking youthful, our muscles strong, and our bones sturdy. So, if you're dreaming of radiant skin, or if you're aiming to keep your body strong and healthy, yuzu could be your new best friend. It's like having a personal trainer and a skincare specialist, all wrapped up in one small citrusy package. When we talk about antioxidants, we're referring to compounds that help protect our bodies from the harmful effects of free radicals. These pesky free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to our cells. They're like the uninvited guests at a party, causing a ruckus and messing up the place. But where does yuzu come into the picture? Well, this citrus fruit is packed with a variety of antioxidants. It's like a superhero team of compounds ready to defend your body against the onslaught of free radicals. In addition to vitamin C, which we've already crowned as a superstar, yuzu also contains other antioxidants like flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds are like the sidekicks to vitamin C, working together to provide a comprehensive defense system for your body. Flavonoids, for instance, are known for their anti-inflammatory and immune system benefits. They're like the peacekeepers in your body, helping to keep inflammation at bay. On the other hand, polyphenols are like the strategists, helping to prevent diseases by regulating cell signaling pathways. But wait, there's more. Yuzu also contains limonene, a compound that gives citrus fruits their distinctive aroma. Beyond just making yuzu smell fantastic, limonene also has antioxidant properties. It's like the undercover agent in the team, providing benefits that you might not immediately notice but are definitely there. The next time you enjoy some yuzu, remember that you're not just treating your taste buds, but you're also giving your body a boost of antioxidant goodness. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of yuzu and want to keep up with all the latest in health and wellness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, let's get back to the topic. Yuzu is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also for your olfactory senses _ aromatherapy. For those who might not know, it is a holistic healing treatment that uses natural plant extracts to promote health and well-being. And our star of the day, YUZU, seems to have some pretty impressive credentials in this field. In a fascinating study, a group of women inhaled the fragrance of YUZU for a mere 10 minutes. The result? They experienced a significant decrease in feelings of tension, anxiety, anger, and fatigue. It's like YUZU waved its magic wand and poof, stress be gone. But how does this work? Well, the researchers believe that the scent of YUZU stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system. This system, also known as the rest and digest response, is what helps your body chill out after a stressful situation. So it's like YUZU is giving your body a gentle reminder to relax and take a breather. But wait, there's more. Another study concluded that the scent of YUZU could potentially reduce feelings of fatigue and boost concentration, productivity, and energy levels. So not only does YUZU help you unwind, but it also gives you a little pep in your step. It's like having a personal cheerleader, encouraging you to keep going and do your best. Now, before you start filling your home with YUZU scented candles and diffusers, there's something important to note. The studies we've discussed are looking at specific compounds in YUZU and YUZU extract, not the fruit itself. So, while it's exciting to see the potential benefits of YUZU's scent, more research is needed to fully understand its effects. We have talked about the health benefits of this mighty fruit. Now it's time to whip up some delicious YUZU-infused recipes that will make your taste buds dance with joy. So, let's get cooking. First up, we have YUZU tea, a comforting beverage that's perfect for those cozy evenings. Here's how you can make it. Ingredients: 2 YUZU fruits, 1 cup of sugar, hot water. First, cut the YUZU fruits in half and squeeze out the juice. Keep the juice aside. Second, remove the seeds and slice the remaining fruit, including the peel, into thin strips. Third, mix the YUZU juice, sliced fruit, and sugar in a bowl. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Fourth, store this YUZU marmalade in a clean jar. Fifth, to make the tea, simply add a spoonful of the marmalade to a cup of hot water. Stir well and enjoy. Next, let's add a tangy twist to your salads with a YUZU dressing. It's simple, quick, and oh so flavorful. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons YUZU juice, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. First, in a small bowl, combine the YUZU juice, soy sauce, and olive oil. Second, season with salt and pepper. Third, drizzle this dressing over your favorite salad and toss well. Voila! Your salad just got a zesty upgrade. And finally, for the grand finale, we have a YUZU sorbet. It's refreshing, it's citrusy, and it's the perfect way to end a meal. Ingredients: 1 cup YUZU juice, 1 cup sugar, 2 cups water. First, in a saucepan, combine the sugar and water. Heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. Second, remove from heat and stir in the YUZU juice. Third, pour the mixture into a container and freeze until solid. Fourth, once frozen, blend the mixture until smooth and creamy. Fifth, freeze again until ready to serve. Enjoy this refreshing sorbet on a hot day or as a palate cleanser between meals. Well, my fellow food explorers, we've come to the end of our YUZU journey. Remember, the world of food is vast and full of exciting flavors waiting to be discovered. YUZU is just one of the many treasures that add a splash of zest and a dash of health to our lives. So keep exploring, keep cooking, and most importantly, keep having fun in your kitchen. That's all for today. If you enjoyed our YUZU adventure and want to continue exploring the fascinating world of food, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. We've got plenty more foodie adventures lined up for you. Until next time, stay zesty and keep those taste buds curious.